Laura here from The Unprofessional, and today I'm going to build a full-size piano keyboard right here into this wall shelf. For this project, I'm using 2 IKEA adjustable desk legs and a 1x12 poplar board to support a full-size Roland electric keyboard. The keyboard will have extra support and stability from the existing wall shelf unit that I built. If you're interested in seeing how I built this mid-mod style shelving, you can see the how-to in the link in the corner. The poplar board happened to be just the right size, but the ends were chewed up, so I cleaned them up on my miter saw and gave the board a good sanding before I applied stain to match the other shelves. Next, I measured the placement of the speakers. There's one downside to putting a keyboard onto a shelf board, and that's that it can muffle the sound coming out of the speakers. But there is a solution. Cut a hole in the shelf boards right where the speakers are. I transposed the measurements onto my shelf board, drill in pilot holes, and then used a jigsaw to cut 2 large holes. I screwed in my new shelf board to the existing wall tracks, which are attached to the studs in the wall. I did a dry fit with the IKEA desk legs and made sure that they were extended to the proper length. Then I attached the plates to the underside of the keyboard shelf. It was looking really good, but I needed trim. I prepared a smaller piece of poplar trim for the front and the side that was not resting in the corner. I glued it on with the piano in place because it was a lot easier that way, and then I attached it with a few brad nails. Then I did the same for the side piece. And will you look at that, a full-size keyboard tucked right into a little space in my living room. And that's how my very non-musical corner shelf became a piano stand. Thanks for watching. This has been Laura from The Unprofessional. To see written instructions for this project and other DIY projects, visit my website, theunprofessional.com. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe.